मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया में, तू जरा हिम्मत तो कर। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया में, तू जरा हिम्मत तो कर। ख्वाब बदलेंगे हकीकत में, तू जरा कोशिश तो कर। आंधियां सदा चलती नहीं, मुश्किलें सदा रहती नहीं, मिलेगी तुझे मंजिल तेरी, तू जरा कोशिश तो कर। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज ए.के. रहमान एंड वेलकम टू दिस वंडरफुल ई मीट। मैं आपका होस्ट हूं एंड आज की शाम बड़ी खूबसूरत है। द सेटिंग इज ब्यूटीफुल और ये वर्चुअल इवेंट आप सबके साथ इसलिए क्योंकि वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द 19th फाउंडेशन डे एंड हिंदुस्तान के कोने कोने से हमारे दोस्त जुड़े हुए हैं। सो लेट्स वेलकम देम उनकी लैंग्वेज में। सो हमारे साउथ के सारे दोस्त वणक्कम नल्ला इरुक्कींगला, सौख्यमा, नमस्कार, चेन्नागिदीरा। And for our friends from Kerala, Yenda Vishesham, Nalla Sugam, and for friends from Andhra, Telangana, Yemi Babu, Bagunara, and for friends from Gujarat, Kem Cho, Majama, Kasayet, and our friends from East, Kimunache, Bhalo Ache Dada, and for friends from North, Namaskar, कैसे हैं आप? ओ हमारे पंजाब के दोस्त सत श्री अकाल जी, and from the whole of the country, कैसे हैं? नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। ऑलराइट, हमारे सारे हिंदुस्तान के शेर, लेट्स गेट रेडी cause आज की शाम धमाकेदार है। एंड वो कहते हैं ना, किसी भी चीज की शुरुआत उस ऊपर वाले का नाम लेके की जाए तो उसमें बरकत दुगनी हो जाती है, और आज की शाम भी ऐसी होने वाली है। As we invoke the blessings of Almighty, our very own Aditi Anjaria and Sayanti Sarkar performing the Ganesh Vandana. What a beautiful performance, मतलब कमाल का performance। अब इतना जबरदस्त performance शुरुआत में हो तो for sure आज की शाम धमाकेदार होने वाली है। Well, friends, rarely there comes an opportunity where we see a revolutionary change. One such generational change is upon us at HDFC Ergo as we complete our teens. Today, HDFC Ergo has become a leader to bring about evolution and innovation in the insurance industry. There is a new hope, aspiration, and ambition for a better tomorrow. And you all are a part of this new change. To give you a glimpse of our new future and introduce you to this new generation, let me invite Sudikshna Bhattacharya, Chief Human Resources Officer, HDFC Ergo General Insurance, on the stage. Let's give a big round of applause. Thank you, Ritesh sir. It was wonderful to hear your insights and how the humanity in HDFC Ergo was the key ingredient of this Gen H. Friends, as a generation working with HDFC Ergo, we are fueled by hope and we believe in honor and humility. This is an amazing feat and it shows how HDFC Ergo has nurtured its people and created a happy, opportunistic and equitable work environment for all of its employees to grow. And when it is about growth, who can be better than our own CHRO, Ms. Sudikshna Bhattacharya? So, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause and welcome her as she shares her views with us. Thank you, ma'am. It is amazing to see HDFC Ergo celebrating the similarities while respecting the differences and being more together. This certainly paves way for more opportunities to rise high in their career. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time which we all have been waiting for. जिसका हमें था इंतजार, जिसके लिए दिल था बेकरार, वो घड़ी आ गई। हाँ दोस्तों, वो घड़ी आ गई। It's time for Seed Awards. Yes, we all know that the Seed Awards commenced 4 years ago with an intent to recognize those who uphold our organization's values of sensitivity, ethics, excellence, and dynamism in their walk of life. For giving some more context into this, let me have the honor and privilege to invite Mr. Parthanil Ghosh, President, Motor Business, HDFC Ergo General Insurance. Zordar taaliyan! Thank you, sir, for your insights on this year's Seed Awards. Our first set of Seed Awards category is Exemplar of Values. Before we announce the winners, let's hear from Mr. Ankur Bahore what it takes to be a winner of Exemplar of Values.
So friends, the evening...
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start off with the awards. लेकिन इससे पहले हम कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। आप सबके लिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है दोस्तों। कहते हैं कि सामने हो मंजिल तो रास्ता ना मोड़ना, सामने हो मंजिल तो रास्ता न मोड़ना, जो भी मन में है वो सपना ना तोड़ना, कदम कदम पे मिलेगी मुश्किल आपको, बस मुश्किलों के डर से जीत का दामन ना छोड़ना। वेल, आपने जीत का दामन कहां छोड़ा, बिकॉज यू ऑल आर ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मर्स, एंड आपके लिए तो तहे दिल से तालियां। All right, ladies and gentlemen, our individual winners in this category, exemplar of values, are Amanpreet Singh. Amanpreet is absolutely methodical in his approach towards challenging situations, extremely positive and sensitive in managing internal and external customers. तालियां हो जाए। Tilokani, a Sindhi superstar, buddha. Leading the corporate legal team from the front, Suresh has spearheaded various projects and has channelized the team's efforts in achieving the common goal of the company. Suresh is known for being compassionate and empathetic towards his team members. Wah! Sindhi superstar के लिए तालियां। मेघा नैयर, क्या बात है। हर contribution spanned from brainstorming, researching, designing, collaborating, articulating the entire framework. This framework was highly appreciated by the leadership. क्या बात। जनगा नंदिनी, वणक्कम, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Alaga performance, what performance, super performance, a passionate customer service executive. Nandini has been a star performer. Her ability to listen and solve customers' concern has won her many accolades. Nandri. Nayan Banerjee, Kimon ache dada, bhalo ache. This Bengali Babu has won accolades because during times of COVID, Nayan has won channels respect by extending a helping hand to those affected and their families. Dada, आपके लिए ना कुछ अर्ज है। চিরদিনই আমি যে তোমার, যুগে যুগে আমি তোমারই সঙ্গী, मेरे জানো जाने यार जान जान जान। वैसे ये गाना पता है आपके लिए डेडिकेटेड आउट ऑफ लव। क्या परफॉर्मेंस है, वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है। Pooja Mohta, overcoming her personal tragedy, Pooja took charge to be a winner. Her achievements stood tall at 4.65 crores business with 25 agents qualifying in the Signature Club. Her dedication and commitment is remarkable. Srikanth Ji, South Indians हैं ही ऐसे दोस्तों। I mean, Srikanth is like a superstar. He was a part of the elite CEO club and ranked third in India with an achievement of 366% in the financial year 2021. It's like, you know, Rajnikant, now Nur Dorrasanne Madri. Baba. So it's like that. Oh, here are the team winners under this category. Team बहुत important होती है। देखिए team में you have a Rohit Sharma as well, Virat Kohli भी है, सिराज भी है and बुमराह भी है। So we've got everybody who make this team and क्या team है ये। तालियों के साथ इनका स्वागत कीजिए। We've got भरत अग्रवाल, महेश बीपी, शरद चंद्र, श्रीनिवास कालिदास, प्रसन्नजीत चौधरी, सौम्या समाल, दिनेश लालवानी, प्रशांत पांडे, मोहम्मद इरफान, योगेंद्र यादव। Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for some entertainment. Entertainment. बड़ा खुश हो जाता हूं जब भी entertainment आता है। This Gen H of HDFC Ergo is full of talent. Now, presenting to you some dynamic performances from our employees packed in 1 minute. Fantastic entertainment. Continuing with our legacy of providing an excellent platform to showcase the talent of HDFC Ergo, we give you this little twist this time. अब क्या है आप देखिए, क्योंकि going by our people's philosophy that is one-tastic, it's simple. We introduced One-tastic Entertainment for this Foundation Day celebration. As the name suggests, it stands for entertainment in 1 minute. We asked our employees, our colleagues, to share their entries of entertaining acts in 1 minute, and the response was, oh my God, matlab kamal. Yeah, we had dances, we had songs, stand-up comedy. This is going to be total paisa vasool. I am super excited. So let's see the entertainment.
हीरे मोती
वल्ला हबीबी, ओ माय गॉड, ये क्या दिखा थी, इतना टैलेंट कहां से आती, ओ हो, मतलब मेरे अंदर यार आपने मेरे जज्बात जगा दिए, इतना टैलेंट, कमाल है भाई, वाह 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 वाह। ऑलराइट, कंट्रोल यार, कंट्रोल। All of you have helped HDFC Ergo to become what it is today. However, there are few who have seen it all. There are those who have seen the highs and the lows for the past 15 and 10 years. This segment of Gen H have worked with passion and they've helped HDFC Ergo to bring to reality the vision for a better future. Fantastic entertainment. Continuing with our legacy of providing an excellent platform to showcase the talent of HDFC Ergo, we give you this little twist this time. Friends, it's now time for another dhamakedar performance under the Fantastic Entertainment and I am ready. Take a look. Thank you, sir. अगले अवार्ड की ओर बढ़ते वक्त मैं एक चीज सोच रहा हूं कि जब लोग कामयाबी की तरफ बढ़ते हैं तो लोग दुश्मन हो जाते हैं, लोग कहते हैं कि बॉस ये कैसे आगे बढ़ रहा है, तो उन सब को who want to pull you down उनके लिए एक चीज है, बेवक्त बेवजह बेहिसाब मुस्कुरा देता हूं। सुनिए, इरशाद, बेवक्त बेवजह बेहिसाब मुस्कुरा देता हूं, आधे दुश्मनों को तो यूं ही हरा देता हूं। मतलब I'm there, I'm gonna go to the top, come what may, I'm gonna do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on. Shashank Ahluwalia. Shashank's strength has been to build strong relationships with internal and external stakeholders. Whoa. Nishi Dr. Surya Prakash. क्या प्यारा नाम है, Surya and Prakash. मतलब चमक ही रहे डॉक्टर साहब। Dr. Surya is extremely helpful and went out of his way to support during COVID. Under his leadership, the underwriting and claims team is emerging stronger and setting new benchmarks. Friends, it's now time for another dhamakedar performance under the Fantastic Entertainment and I am ready. Take a look. Friends, this is the time जहां पे मेरा दिल दुखता है कि things are coming to an end. But picture abhi बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. We've seen how as Gen H we have thrived and showcased the attributes of being resilient, hopeful and limitless. And of course, एक चीज जो बाकी है, जो बहुत सारे लोग वेट कर रहे हैं कि Fantastic performance के results कहां हैं? आ रहे हैं, थोड़ा इंतजार. I mean, just hang in there, guys. We have had amazing performances by HDFC Ergo employees. क्या performance था? वाह! Congratulations! बहुत बढ़िया जी, बहुत बढ़िया. And I would like to again congratulate our Seed Award winners as well. So, क्या बात है. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for me to invite Mr. Sameer Shah, Executive Director, HDFC Ergo General Insurance, to deliver the vote of thanks. Time to announce the winners of the Fantastic Entertainment 2021. What performances! Whoa, mind-blowing. So as we all know, there'll be 3 winners. Each of them will receive a beautiful health accessory by one of the finest brands in the country. They'll be receiving a Boat Fitness smartwatch. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take a pause and hold your breath. Here are the winners of the Fantastic Entertainment 2021. Congratulations and celebrations. Congratulations, guys. Your acts were phenomenal. Take care. Shabba khair. See you soon.